Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I was making some Easter outfits, and I thought I would share an idea with you all to make appliques for the front of your shirts, t-shirts, dresses, whatever. This is how I made this dress. Don't claw me. Okay, this is where the Wonder Under really comes in handy. It's getting harder and harder to find small print anywhere, but small print holiday fabric. So what we're going to do, yes, I know this is more turquoise and this is more light blue. We're going to pretend it matches real well. What we're going to do is we're going to take this rabbit and put it on the front of this, the front of the dress. And how we're going to do that is, I already cut a piece of Wonder Under, and you feel that, and the side that has the texture to it, that goes up against your fabric. And then you put that right behind the piece that you want to cut out. And you just iron that with an awfully warm iron, and you let that cool and cut it out. All right, I finally got that peeled. I don't know what the holdup was. Now you're going to take your little rabbit and you're going to decide where you want it. I want it in the middle. Get all the extra off. Decide on the angle you want it. I kind of want it like that. Watch your two sides and your top, centering it. You don't want it too far one way and not the other, and then you simply iron that down. My bow is not behaving, but it's supposed to go this way and hang down, and you can see that on the front. The neckline is right there. You can't see it very well. I don't know, it's all kind of, I don't know. It's good. It just looks different than when it's on a doll. There we go. That shows it. If I were doing this on a human, I would zigzag around all the edges. This is a doll. It's not running around and stuff, so it should be fine. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.